quite lovely, yeah.
Quite,
Should make it again.
Quite lovely.
26 cheeses next time.
In it.
Oh, British mansion. Oh, wait.
Where do you guys think she's from?
The Brittany Empire. The Brittany Empire.
Yeah. I think he still has some Italian accent. I don't hear it,
I'm
but
sure it's gonna pop up eventually.
Eventually.
When you drive me insane.
no, guys, she's not from Barcelona. No hablo español.
¿Qué?
Yo hablo español.
You can do better than that.
Sí.
Come on. You can. I believe in you.
Hasta vista.
You do a little bit Yeah! Yes.
I don't know why I always
a little flair.
end up speaking Spanish in my stream for literally no reason, but it's okay. Yeah.
Maybe it's just in your blood.
My blood.
Have you checked your ancestors?
I don't know anything. I don't know. Can be.
Any Spanish plumber?
I don't know. What is a plumber?
Okay.
Oh, plumber. Plumber. I don't know.
No?
No. What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Too deep.
What is she talking about?
None? No?
Mario?
Alright.
I
We
am.
already reached the stage where we don't understand each other anymore. Amor hidráulico!
It's not Spanish. It's not Spanish. They're Italians.
Babe, fuck off. You don't get it.
No.
That's
Dígamelo.
In what language?
English is okay.
In Spanish. I should just raw dog it in Spanish now. Alright, so fine, I'll explain the joke. The very funny joke is I told you to check your ancestors for any Spanish blood. You said, I don't know. So I said, was there any plumber? Because you know hidráulica. ¿Qué pasa, casa? Oh my god! Please! You know?
No, I never heard of it. I told you I lived in a cave.
Alright.
Okay.
Listen. When your dad leaves for milk
Yeah.
and mom's home alone
Yeah.
and the pipe's not working anymore, she calls the plumber.
Yeah. Actually, my dad fixed it usually.
So your mom left for milk and your dad called for a plumber. and how did the lineage? Okay, I think I'm gonna explain this to you next
Okay.
year when we. This is fine.
Should I call my dad?
No. No, please don't.
Okay. Here's to us. Or my mom. Maybe my mom. Call my mom now.
But did you get it?
No!
Non ancora capito! Non hai capito?
Allora, io ho capito che l'idraulico va a casa. E poi non me lo spieghi!
E perché te lo devo dire? È così ovvio!
Fixa i tubi, no?
Dici tua madre! Come on!
Ma che c'entra? Scusa!
Ma dai, ma... So she's not from the Roman Empire, because this is BS. This is so BS. This is so BS.
Okay. Okay.
Oh,
No, I get it now.